Hi crafty friends, Tammy Beard with Stampin' Savvy here to share with you the October Savvy Card Kit, which is all about stress-free Christmas cards. We are going to be using the beautiful Joy of Christmas set to make 3 different card designs, 8 each, and the class is designed to make 24 cards in a weekend, plus a bonus card idea for using up all of your scraps. The class is going to include a video that walks you through step by step how to cut, stamp, and assemble everything. Lots of time-saving savvy tips for you, as well as bonus ideas. So the star of the show is the Christmas Classics Stamp and Die bundle. There also is going to be bonus cards for the coordinating Joy of Noel bundle. Now, if you don't have those bundles, you can add them onto the kit. And the kit is going to include the absolutely gorgeous Joy of Christmas Designer Series paper, beautiful watercolor images, plaids, the coordinating cardstock in 3 different colors, as well as the luscious distressed gold specialty paper. We're going to transform those kit supplies into 24 cards, 24 savvulous cards that your friends and family are going to love, plus the bonus cards. So pre-order is going to be October 9th through the 15th. It is 1 week only, so I do encourage you to get your pre-order in early in the time period. It is going to be a very popular class. If you don't have the bundle, you can add that with your kit, savvulous savings, as well as free gifts. So you can add the Christmas Classics bundle, and the free gift is the beautiful ribbon that we're going to use to decorate the cards. And then the Joy of Noel is also an addition, and that comes with a separate bonus kit that you can make even more cards. So I encourage you, join us for this savvulous card class in October. Thanks, friends.